What's up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved these passion twists. They're super long. Take a look at it from the back. And this side. Yes. To achieve this hair, I used this brand, Nala. Can't even see. Nala Tress. They do come pre-twisted, so it's very helpful, time saver. And the products I use to achieve this hairstyle, I use a lot of body, Texture ID styling cream, and Wetline Extreme Gel. So if you want to get this look or you're interested in how I got this look, stay tuned and let's hop into this video.
Like all of my gang, even when we got some change, we can't change. Remain humble, yeah, remain the same.
This hairstyle took about 4 to 5 hours to complete. I started this hairstyle on freshly washed hair. After that, I created sections and then created medium-sized boxes. As you can see here, there's one of the medium-sized boxes. So you guys already know the drill. The first thing you're gonna do is use a spray bottle to keep your hair nice and damp. Next, you're gonna take your lot of body mousse and evenly distribute it throughout that section. Be afraid to work it in. Next step is to grab your Texture ID styling cream and apply it directly to your ends. The purpose of this is to seal in the moisture while your hair is in this hairstyle. After that, I took some of the Wetline Extreme Gel and applied it directly to the base of where my twist is going to be. This is just going to ensure it turns out sleek. Overall, doing this step makes the hairstyle look more neat. After that, you're going to grab your handy dandy pre-twisted passion twist hair. Don't mind me, guys, I'm just having some fun. You're going to open up the top of the pre-twisted hair and put your hair through it. Next, you're going to split your hair into 2 sections and use the pre-twisted hair as the 3rd section to start a braid. This braid is to secure your hair to ensure the passion twist hair doesn't move or come out of your head. After doing a braid a couple times, you're going to open up the braiding hair so that it's separate and start to twist your hair into it. The longer your hair is, the more you're going to have to twist. The shorter your hair is, the less you'll have to twist. So pretty much you're going to carefully twist down the length of your hair. This method allows you to not have to unravel the pre-twisted passion twists. To ensure the twist came out neat, I took some Wetline Extreme Gel and put it on my finger while I twisted down the length of my hair. By doing this, I eliminated the amount of flyaways that I have in my twists. So in a second, you'll see that after you reach the end of your hair, you don't have to continue twisting because it's already pre-twisted. What you do is just twist the hair in the direction that you were twisting so that it seals that part or closes the part that you were twisting and you don't have to retwist the whole thing. A little confusing, but you guys will see what I mean right now. And that's pretty much it. I just repeated the same thing to my entire head, and I'm gonna show you guys one more time so you can see and try it yourself using this method. I know you guys be forgetting, so that's why I remind you. You made it this far in the video and you haven't liked it yet? That must be a mistake. I'm gonna give you a second, okay? I'm gonna give you a second. A little bit of shameless promo. If you like my eyelashes, remember to check out one of my last videos about how I install magnetic eyelashes and whether or not you guys should get them too. Back at it again with the next section. Okay, so this is the last one. I already have the mousse on it. I have some of the styling cream on my hands. I'm going to put it on the ends just to seal in the moisture. And then I'm going to take some of my Wetline Extreme Gel and put it at the
roots. So after you're done that, you're going to take your handy dandy crocheted hair and open up the top part there, just like that, and place your hair through that hole and put it anywhere for now. I like to get it out the way by putting it on the next side. Then you're going to take your hair and split it into two and braid regularly. It's just a regular braid. You're going to do that a couple times just to ensure that the hair stays in. And then you're going to carefully open up your passion twist hair and place your two hairs at the side like this. And from the top, you just want to twist regularly. You can go ahead and add some gel to your fingers and continue to twist down your hair. And you just need to twist it down the length of your hair if you use this method. So now my hair is all twisted up. I just have the passion twist hair left. And really, I can just twist it on my finger just to twist it back up. That way I don't actually have to twist it. And buying this crocheted hair saves time. And that is it, you guys. I just finished. I'm going to do my edges and come back and show you guys the finish result. But this is it so far before I go. Let me show you guys the full length. So I'll be back when I'm done my edges and stuff to show you guys the final look. See you in a bit.
Over like all of my gang. Even when we got some change, we can't change. Remain humble, yeah, remain the same.
And that's it, you guys. Remember, if you like this video, to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bad girl out and stunting. With big body jumping.